The US stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. But companies often announce news that affects share prices outside of these hours. So even when the market is closed, the intrinsic value of stocks continues to move. Many traders like to take advantage of these movements by trading in the pre-market session from 4 a.m. and the post-market session until 8 p.m. So what can you gain from trading before or after the markets are open? Most importantly, you can be among the first to react to breaking news. So you could get better prices for the stocks you want to trade on before they're driven up or down by higher volumes of trade. You can also use extended hours for the simple convenience of being able to trade at off-peak times if they better suit your lifestyle. While there are clear benefits to trading out of hours, you'll need to keep a few things in mind. Executing your trades can be more difficult. With fewer traders in the market, liquidity is lower, particularly at the extremes of each session. This can lead to wider spreads, making out-of-hours trading more expensive. Also, the price of stocks you trade after hours won't necessarily reflect their price during normal market hours. For example, say a company announces its earnings after the market has closed. The initial reaction from after-hours traders is positive. They push the price of a company's stock up. This positive reaction carries on into the pre-market session, so by the time the market opens, the stock will be right up. However, when the market opens, it comprises a much bigger pool of traders. If they don't react as favourably, they could push the price of the stock right down again. So if you were long, you could risk your position losing value suddenly. It's also worth remembering that you might be up against institutional investors with greater resources, which could give them an advantage. If you'd like to make the most of US earnings season by trading in the pre- or post-market sessions, you can trade after hours on 70 key US stocks with IG at the most important times for company announcements. For full access to both out-of-hours session most days, you can spread bet and trade CFDs from 8 a.m. until 1 a.m. UK time, Monday to Thursday, and until 10 p.m. on Fridays. You can also buy and sell shares from 12 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. UK time, Monday to Thursday, and up until 10 p.m. on Fridays with Share Dealing Account, giving you access to the times with the highest liquidity. You can find out more about our extended hours offering on our website.